Good morning. Today we'll discuss the types of budget. Budgets are classified into different types. The first is capital expenditure budget. The capital expenditure budget provides guidance as to amount of capital needed for acquiring capital assets during the budgeted period. So the capital assets could be, for example, we can say telecommunication equipments, computers, new and improved software for front office department, billing machine, etc. This all comes under the capital expenditure budget. So these are the fixed items, the capital of, or anything in changes is required in that is the capital expenditure budget. Then we have the operating budget. Operating budget is the financial statement that is associated with the routine operations of a hotel. Operating expenditure is the cost that a hotel incurs in the process of generating revenue during its normal daily day-to-day operation. It includes, basically it includes the salary, wages and direct labor cost. The operating cost budget is the operating cost of the hotel. That's what are the salary, how much you are paying the salary and wages and direct labor cost and all, what are your expensive, that comes under the operating budget. Next we have the fixed budget. Fixed budget is a budget that is prepared on the basis of standard of fixed level of activity. It does not change with the level of activity, so it is basically fixed. So it is all been done, and it is the items will be fixed on the fixed figure, will be decided on the fixed budget. Then we have the flexible budget. Flexible budget is a budget prepared in a manner so as to give the budgeted cost for any level of activity. These are prepared after considering the fixed and semi-variable elements of cost and the changes that may be expected for each item at various level of operation. So in this flexible budget there is a flexibility given to the, so that in during the daily operations there might be some changes in the semi variables and constant. So in this budget, in this particular type of budget, there is a option been given that the figures, it is a flexibility been given to the in this budget. So if you feel that there are some changes required, then you can make in that flexible budget. But fixed budgets are the fixed one. You cannot make any changes once the budget has been prepared. Then we have the master budget. Master budget is the final budget of the hotel. It is the summary of the budget that are prepared in the organization by all the departments. So it is combined together or compiled together. That is called a master budget. Then departmental budget. Departmental budget is the budget that is prepared by the individual department of a hotel, containing the purpose, estimate of revenue and expenditure for a specific duration of time. So it is the departments who generally prepares this budget. Then sales budget. Sales budget is the budget which is being prepared by the sales manager, and it is the budget which is prepared to forecast the sales to achieve in a budgeted period. The hotel may prepare the room sales budget, food and beverage sales budget and ancillary sales budget. So it depends on the property to properties, and this is basically to find out the sales or achieve the revenue in the budgeted period. Then we have the administrative budget. Administrative overhead budget. Administrative overhead budget covers expenses of all the administrative offices and of management salaries. The budget for the entire administrative division will be prepared by totaling the separate budget for all the administrative departments. So this budget is a separate budget been prepared with the people who comes under the administrative administration. So the operation people have different budget, and administrative uh, employees or administrative division have a different budget been prepared. Then we have the cash budget. Cash budget is the forecast of the cash position for a specific duration of time. It tells about the availability and requirement of working capital at different periods and forms an important part in the efficient working of the hotel. So it is basically a forecast of the cash position, that what is the position of your cash in the, so through this cash budget, the management or the organization forecast that what are the requirements or what is your financial position. So if you want to go for any kind of renovation or any kind of changes in the hotel, so you need to know your cash position. So this particular budget is been prepared for that. Then we have one more budget, that is called zero base budget. Zero base budget is nothing but a budget which has been prepared with a starting number 0. Like there is, if some budget have been prepared for a particular financial year, the next financial will have a completely or entirely new budget. There is no figures will be carried forward in that zero base budget. And this zero base budget is been mostly followed by the new properties. Whenever a new hotel is coming up, they will start with the zero base budget. And if the existing hotels or the properties are maintaining this zero base budget, it means that once you complete your financial year, your particular budget is closed in that, whether it's in loss or in profit, so that particular is completely closed, that particular budget is completely closed. And in the new financial year, you will be starting with a figure 0. So that will be the new start for the property. That's it for today. Thank you.